Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a raspberry ripple cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the base, which is just really simple. You take some digestive biscuits and place them into a food safe bag onto a food processor and just crust the biscuits down until they reach like a fine crumb. A few extra big bits in there won't hurt. Transfer that into a bowl and add in some melted butter, then mix the two together until you have a wet sand consistency. Then you're good to go. You can place this into the bottom of a 8-inch lined cake tin and just compress it down as much as you can, getting it as level as possible. Seeing as this is a baked cheesecake, you can go ahead and once you've got the base made and compressed down, you can then place it into the oven and bake it for around 10 minutes, and this will just help to achieve the perfect base. So to make the cheesecake filling, you'll want to go ahead and grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in all of your soft cheese, followed by the sugar, and whisk the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you've achieved that consistency, you can then go ahead and add in all of the sour cream or natural yogurt, whichever one you're using, and just whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice a change in the consistency, but this is completely normal. Then add in your vanilla and eggs and whisk until it's fully combined, and you're not looking to, it won't change, you're just looking to incorporate those ingredients, and it should be a pretty loose consistency. Then into half of the mixture you'll want to add the raspberries and just mix them in until it's combined, not forgetting to add in your corn flour, as this will be what thickens it. You can use plain flour, but I prefer to use cornstarch or corn flour, and you'll want to repeat the same process of adding the corn flour into the cheesecake mix and mixing it until it's fully incorporated. You don't want to be able to see a trace of any ingredient. Take your base from the oven and let it cool, then place on top in alternative layers a good amount of the vanilla, then the raspberry, and keep repeating it until you have like a ripple effect. It should be like one big circle and then smaller ones in the middle, but you should get like a ripple effect once you cut into it. Repeat the process until you have no cheesecake mixture left. Don't forget to cover the top of the cheesecake with some tin foil and then place it into your oven and bake it off. I will leave all the information you need for that in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested. So whenever you are ready to serve the cheesecake, make the whipped cream topping, which is just whipped cream, icing sugar and vanilla. Achieve stiff peaks, then you can go ahead and slice your cheesecake up, transfer the cream into a piping bag fitted with a nozzle of your choice, and then just pipe cream on top in whichever pattern you'd really like. I just went with this on top, but feel free to do whatever you like. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.